Hello students, continue with business mathematics class. Today we are going to learn two methods of business mathematics subject. See in board, how many terms of series 93 plus 90 plus 87 amounted is 975. Here given terms is written here. Sn is equal to 975. A is equal to first term is 93. B is equal to second term minus first term means 90 minus 93 is equal to minus 3. Now formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1d. Here Sn is given how many? 975. N is not given. A is given 93. N is not given, n minus 1. D is given minus 3. Now 2 multiplied here, 975 into 2 is 1950. Now n here 2 multiplied 93 is 186 plus here minus 3 multiplied n is minus 3n minus minus plus 3. Now 1950 and here 186 bracket open minus 3n plus 3. One 1950 and 186 plus 3 189 plus 3 minus 3n 1950 n multiplied 189 n minus 3n square. Here the step is forwarded here 3n square, here plus minus 189n plus 1950 is equal to 0. See the students, here 3 is common from all the steps and now in 0 upon 3 means 0, n square minus 3 is common here means 63n plus 3 is also here common is 650. Now 2 part of 63 is n square minus 50n minus 13n plus 650 is equal to 0. Now common in from both term, here common is n minus 50, here 13 common, n minus 50. Now common bracket n minus 13 n minus 50 is equal to 0. Now n minus 13 is equal to 0. N minus 50 is equal to 0. Now n is equal to 13 and here n is equal to 50. Here two answer for n. Same as one another method. See here, the 47th term of an AP is 5 upon 31. Find the sum of each 93rd term. See the students, here term is given and finding sum. Then start with formula of Tn. Term is given. See 47 term is given. Then Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d. Tn means how many is given? 47. T47 is equal to A is not given, n is given, then 47 minus 1, d is not given. See the student, 47th term is given 5 upon 31. Then write 5 upon 31 is equal to A plus 47 minus 1 means 46t. Now fraction is divided into decimals. 5 upon 31 means A plus 46t is equal to 0.18. Here one equation is getting A plus 46t is equal to 0.18. Now sum is here standby. Now we are going to another way. Find the sum of 93 terms. Here sum means Sn is equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1d. See Sn is given 93, then I write S93 is equal to n is 93 upon 2. A is not given, n is given 93 minus 1, d is also not given. Now 93 upon 2, 2a plus 92d. See the students, here 2 is common from this bracket. 93 upon 2. Now a plus 46d. Here 2 and 2 is cut. 93. A plus 46d. See students, here A plus 46d is equal to 0.18. Here we can write down 93 0.18. Here 93 into 0.18. So is 18 is not. Here is 16. Here also 16. 93 into 16. 0.16 means 14.99 is equal to 15. See the students, so many short sum, but it is not neglected. Sometimes in exam this type of sum is also asking.